Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make collage video in CapCut using the ready-made templates. It's quick, easy, and perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone, and then at the bottom, tap on Templates. Now, in the search bar, type collage. And here you'll see lots of collage style video templates made by other creators. Browse through and pick a style you like, whether it's for travel, memories, friends, or aesthetic edits, and tap Use Template. CapCut will ask you to select photos or videos you want in your collage. Choose your clips and tap Preview. And the template will automatically apply transitions, effects, and music to your collage. And if you want, you can adjust text, replace clips, or tweak filters to make it more personalized. And once you're happy with it, tap export and save it to your gallery. You can also share directly to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And that's it. That's how you can make a collage video in CapCut using templates. Super simple and creative. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.